EDRS Quick Reference Sheet 2037-FH, providing user access for an existing data provider. To get started, first perform a data provider search. Go to the Table Maintenance menu on the home screen, select Organizations, and then Data Providers. If there are no associated facilities, click the last name link to display the data provider summary. Please note, if the search results show a facility name in the Facility column, refer to the instructions in QRS 2027-FH associating your facility to an active user or data provider account. On the data provider summary, click the Add Remove Offices link to begin the process of associating your facility with this data provider. If any information for this account is incorrect or missing, you must finish the process of providing access to Dave described in this QRS before you can update the account information. To add your facility name to the office affiliations assigned to the user field, first select your facility from the available office affiliations list. Then click the Add Arrow or greater than sign button. When finished, click the Next button. Please note, if you are an administrator for multiple facilities, the available office affiliations will only list the facility you selected at login. If the data provider requires access to other facilities as well, log out after you create this account. When you log back in, select the office link for the facility that you need to add. You can then click the Update Offices Rules Business function and follow the steps of this QRS again to add the selected facility to the data provider's account. Repeat as necessary to add all facilities to which the data provider needs access. A data provider type screen will now display. Confirm or select Funeral Director from the data provider type drop-down and click the Add button. Confirm the death checkbox is selected to ensure the data provider is authorized to sign death records. When finished, click Finish. When the data provider summary screen displays again, click the Create User for Data Provider link to give the new data provider access to Dave EDRS. Much of the user account information will be auto-populated based on the information available when the data provider was added to the database in Dave EDRS. You will need to enter the username, password, confirm password, start date, email address, and user role. All of the other information will already be entered. Continue to click the next button to progress through the user account screen and enter data where needed. When you have finished, you should be able to successfully locate the account information by performing a user search and a data provider search. You may notice that some of the existing account information may not match the information on the EDRS user account request form. Once you've finished creating the user account for the data provider, use the Update links on the user summary screen to update the account so it matches the EDRS user account request form. Please note, for assistance with updating user accounts, reference the Updating User Accounts QRS sheet.